Yo, all right. Trade recap today. This is how I made 4,200 and something dollars in 4 minutes. So I made $4,260, 50 something, $52 I think, in 4 minutes. So yeah, coming into market open, definitely bearish on the day. We got that morning manipulation. It's like guys, when you trade more and more, you just start to see things. First of all, we reject this 4 minute order block on before 10. You can see order block here, bam, rejection, boom. I don't even really trade order blocks, but you can see it when you see it. London high got swept already. Asia high got swept already. So we had London low and Asia low that we were looking for. We still even haven't even hit those draws, and we might not. But me personally, I'd go by a thing called like an overall draw. Like if I have draws there, that doesn't mean I'm gonna target London low as liquidity, but I want to take trades in the direction of where the big session draws or the high time frame draws are. But yeah, I never, like you guys know me, I'm a very small move guy. I trade minis. I trade one mini, and I do not go for I go for 30 points, 20 to 40 points on a day. That's all I need. Anyway, so after doing that, we mark out all the 5 and 15 minutes I'm interested in. We had a 5 minute here that we made like while we were trading. And then we had this. Then this is the trade. I took this 5 minute. And a lot of people are like, okay, well, why didn't you take the 15 minute right here? Because I actually had this 15 minute marked. But while we were trading, we came down really aggressively with no pullback. And I was like, I don't know. No pullback. We came down really the 1 minute literally just dumped. Like if you see on the 1 minute, like this 1 minute we were here, we dumped all this in like the last 10 seconds before it closed. I was like, I don't know. I kind of want to wait on, price to slow down. I don't want to get just because sometimes if we move down really fast, we'll move right back up really fast the next candle. So you just got to be careful. So I was like, I don't really like this 15. I'll wait for the 5 because it's a little lower. Give me extra confirmation. So we did. And as you can see, I entered after we closed below that 610 level. And I originally was looking for this short, but we did get tapped in shorts. But this would have been also a really good short. But I had my limits here at 610, but as you can see, we never got tapped in. We opened down here and never came up. So, but yeah, this one closed below the level, which was at 610, which is the midpoint or consequent encroachment of the inverse for value gap. And so we got the close, entered, bam, same thing every single day. That's what I tell you guys. Entered shorts off of that. Put our stop, 30-point stop right above, giving it a little room to be able to tap into that 1 minute maybe. But I don't like to do it. I really don't like doing bigger stops than 30 points. So either I like to put my stop above the gap, but if that's too short, which it obviously is, then I'll do above the retrace. But if there's a fair value gap right there, I want to give it a little room, might as well. And then 30 is my max. 30 is my max because I don't want to risk 40, 50 points on a trade. It's just not worth it for me. So yeah, 30 points. It's like a 1 to 1.3 RR or 1.13 RR. So not bad. Definitely not my best RR ever, but it's not bad. I don't like the max I usually run is 1 to 2, and so I love running 1 to 1s, and a lot of the best traders I know run 1 to 1s. So if anyone tells you you're not allowed to run 1 to 1s, then you're stupid. Anyway, yeah. So entered off the midpoint, came up a little bit. Honestly, I didn't even really like this PA. We kept engulfing every candle on the 1 minute, but the 2 minute had a good rejection. The 3 minute never even closed bullish, so that's good. 5 minute, okay. But the point is we entered, we got the setup, we held, and we got up to at peak, we got up to 18 points in drawdown, but yeah, and then we just ripped down, hit TP on one candle, which was really nice. And a lot of people are asking, where did you put your TP? Why did you put your TP there? It looks like you bottom ticked TP, which I did. I literally got out at the tick, and then and now we're running up kind of. So why did I put my TP here? And obviously you can kind of see it is pretty obvious. I put my TP at the next imbalance that I had marked out. So if I put my TP at the start of the next imbalance, because what do we typically do at imbalances? We reverse off of them. So if I know that, then I don't want to have my TP at London low personally. Yes, is this a draw? Yes, is this a good draw? Yes, but I know we have a really strong imbalance here on the higher time, on the 15-minute time frame, which is always stronger than like a 5-minute imbalance, and it's untapped, which means if a imbalance is untapped, that means that it's much more likely to reject off of it. Because a lot of times we'll get their first rejection off of an imbalance, and then the next time we'll tap it. We could reject it again, of course. That happens all the time. But also, I would say it's less likely for us to tap it again and go up than for us to run right through it, unless it's just a really strong imbalance. But since this is the first time that price has entered this imbalance, I was very strongly expecting a reversal off of it, which we did get. And so I had my TP at the start of it. So when we enter it, I'm out. And that's exactly how I did. I came on the market. I knew what I was going to do. I executed, and I executed good. Up 34 points on the day. Let's go. We are now up 43 on the week. Yeah, 43 points on the week. We're up right now, so not bad. Last week I was up 100. This week I'm up 43 points, which I'm not going to complain about. We got tomorrow left. Hopefully we can catch a really good trade tomorrow and be up maybe, 60, 70 points on the week. 6, 7. So, yeah. We'll look for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Good trade recap. Make sure to use code CRV at MyFundedFutures and Alpha. CRV shirts. Get your unemployed final boss shirts. Get your Who's Calling My Funded shirts. And if you want to join the Discord and watch me trade live every single day for free, it's free right now. It won't be free very much longer. So get it while you can. Click the link in my bio. Join the Discord. It's completely free. And so yeah, if you're asking how do you make 4 points UK, because I usually don't, whatever. I made $707.20 on 5 Top Step XFAs, and then I had like an extra MFF XFA that I also made $710. So, yeah, made around 4.2K. Yeah, 4.2 something. So, there you go. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Subscribe. We're almost at 800 subs, so subscribe. And I hope you guys are enjoying these trader caps because I'll keep them going. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for some more live trading and hopefully another trader cap. So peace out, boys. Have a good one. Peace.